Okay, let's talk about SEO for your images. Mainly, we're going to be talking about something called alt text. So alt text is essentially descriptions of your images. This is important for a few reasons. One, people who are visually impaired will use screen readers to read back to them what's on the screen. And so alt text is the description of the image so that the screen reader can read that text to them and they can understand what's in the image. Now, Google will also read the alt text so that it can understand what's in the image. And then finally, if the image doesn't load, your browser will display that text. So writing your alt text or these image descriptions in Wix is very straightforward, very easy. All you have to do is navigate in the editor to one of these images. So here we have this woman, and you click the settings icon, the little gear icon. This pops open, and if you scroll down, it says what's in the image, add alt text here. And you want these descriptions to be as descriptive as possible. This is not a place to stuff keywords. In general, keyword stuffing, as we may have discussed already, doesn't really work anymore. Instead, Google wants you to be descriptive. So I would say Leslie Adams, personal trainer, smiling with a jump rope around her neck. Something like that. Now that's for a typical image in the Wix editor. If you have a column background like this, it works very similar. So this strip is divided into two columns. If we select the column, then click change background, and then click settings here, we can do the same thing. This was a free stock image from Pexels, so we're going to delete all of that. We're going to say what's in the image. We're going to say something like determined woman doing lunges in a squat rack at a gym. So we're being descriptive. That's helpful, again, for Google to understand what's in the image and for people who are using screening software to know what is supposed to be in that image. Okay, and that's basically it. So it's very, very straightforward to write alt text for your images in the Wix editor.